Hello Taurus, this is your reading for the month of October 2020. So let's start your reading. Taurus, on October you may feel uncomfortable as there will be a fast movements. It's opposite energy of yours. So you may feel uncomfortable here. On October 1st you have full moon in Aries. It's all about spirituality, intuition and psychic. So on this day you may feel mentally and physically tired. So it's all about you doing a meditation and gaining an energy back. So also on this day, Divine is going to encourage you to do more than you have done before. So October 13, you have Mercury retrograde. It's all about communication. So there can be a misunderstanding, and when it comes to your zodiac sign, there will be more misunderstanding. It can be through text, as you may have told something to the person, but the person may have thought something else. There can be a miscommunication here. So the advice here is just think before you message or before you speak here. October 16, you have new moon in Libra, which all talks about alignment and organization. On this day, you may put yourself first. So from mid-month of October, I see you concentrating on yourself, as you may feel that all responsibility you need to fulfill, plus you have so many responsibility where you need to take care of. So you may just concentrate on your responsibility and yourself here. So I see you also clearing any kind of a confusion or any kind of a thing, because you are not ready to deal with any kind of a drama around you. So on October 22, I see Sun returns to a Scorpio, as it is Scorpio season. So Scorpio is your opposite sign. Scorpio is your opposite sign. So there is no need to be worried, as it will be favorable to you, as it deals with a duality. So it's all about you getting ready to do or to pursue a certain individual in your life. So I see you making an agreement or something between you and your person to reach certain goal or to have a certain plan regarding a future. So that's what I see. Plus I see that there can be an unexpected transformation in your relationship. So if you're already in a relationship, the bond between you both is going to get stronger, and there will be unexpected thing between you both. An unexpected energy or unexpected emotions coming your way from an opposite person, or you are showing emotions to that person. So it will be all about bond getting stronger between you both. So that's what duality talks about here. So that's what I see, Taurus. So let me see your cards. You have Ace of Swords. That's what I talk. It's all about the clarity, and it's all about knowing what you need to cut off from your life and what you need to concentrate on. So it's all about clear-cut clarity plus cutting the drama or any kind of a thing which doesn't serve you anyway. Death, transformation. So it's all about you having a certain perspective or having an awakening movement regarding a situation, gaining a higher level of perspective or thinking the other way around. Hermit. So I see you stepping back from your life, and just that's what I told. You are concentrating on yourself and thinking what is good for you, what is not good, what do you want, everything. You're getting a clarity here. You have the Empress. So I see you being single, independent, taking care of yourself, and being so strong that way you're not wanting to take anyone's help in your life. Most of the people are going to admire you in the month of October. You have the Tower. That's what. Whatever doesn't serve you, I see you. There's a breakthrough moment here. So that's what I see. If there is some kind of an ending or something came in your way or which you don't want it to end, I see you restarting that for some of them. That's the message here. You may be restarting and you may be thinking about how to make things right between an individual or a situation. So that's what I see, Taurus. Thank you.